These two identical pre-owned trucks are for sale. Can you spot the difference? A California full-maintenance PacLease truck and a typical sale truck. They're the same make and model, the same sale price, and the same mileage. Identical? Or are they? Let's take a trip back in time. The California full-maintenance PacLease truck receives a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection. The typical sale truck only receives a basic pre-delivery inspection. The California full-maintenance PacLease truck receives regular 90-day inspections. The typical sale truck has no planned or scheduled program set. The California full-maintenance PacLease truck receives regular OEM service. The typical sale truck has no scheduled or set service. The California full-maintenance PacLease truck has no surprise interruptions. The typical sale truck is burdened with unplanned expenses and disruptions. Knowing this history, which truck would you buy? The choice is clear: California full-maintenance PacLease pre-owned trucks from CharterTrucks.